Okay, so as you can see, my independent variable is WPI, which stands for witness workplace incivility. Um, the width is 5 because it was measured on a 5-point Likert type scale. That's why the measure is scale. And then no, that's my mediating variable. It stands for knowledge hiding. It was measured on a 7-point Likert scale, so that's why the width is 7. And then it's also scale. Um, and then DYS, that is my new dependent variable, and it stands for organizational dysfunction. The width is 5 because it was also measured on a 5-point type Likert scale. All these were continuous variables. So what I'm going to do is go to regression. I'm going to do process, and then so WPI is my independent variable is going to go, and the X. All right, and then organizational dysfunction, my dependent variable is going to go Y, and then knowledge hiding is my mediator. Going to go to options. I believe I really only need to click on show total effect model because that's going to give me everything I need. And click continue, and then of course, since this is simple mediation, I'm going to do model 4, and then click OK, and this is my output. It is loading. All right, as you can see, so where I'm going to find my so the direct effect of x on y, that is the effect of the independent variable on the independent variable on the dependent variable. So the effect of workplace incivility on organizational dysfunction, which you can see by the p-value, is significant. And then the total effect, that is the sum of the indirect effect and the direct effect. So that this includes the mediating variable. This is not significant, which means there was full mediation instead of partial mediation. That is because when it's full mediation, it becomes, and the model becomes insignificant. And then to see how significant the mediation was, we're going to do the Sobel test, which you can find right here. All right, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go up. So matrix, we're going to go to the first model summary. The outcome variable is the mediator variable, and this is the independent variable. So the coefficient negative 1.44. That is what we are going to put right here, and then we're going to go down here to knowledge hiding, which is the mediating variable, but it's going to include the independent variable on the dependent variable, and you can see that is negative 0.427, and that's where we're going to put right here. And then for SA, that's the standard error, so we're going to put 0.35 right there. And then same goes right here for knowledge hiding, 0.13, round it to 0.14, and then you calculate it. And as you can see by the p-value of the Sobel test, it did seem to be a statistically significant full mediation. And there you go.